Hi, welcome back. If you want to see how I achieved this berry toned eyeshadow look with a pop of sparkle, then please keep on watching.
Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing a fall inspired eye look with the new Nikki Tutorials and BeautyBay palette. I used this in my last video. I was thinking of using this color right here. That's all I have in mind so far. I know I want to use that. So I already did my base. For the most part, all I need is my concealer. I started with two primers, the gripping primer by Cover FX on my forehead and T-zone, and then I added this one, Black Prep and Prime Skin Base, and this is just like an illuminating foundation. I just added that to my cheeks because I wanted my cheeks to be nice and illuminating since my foundation is a matte. And for today, my foundation, I'm trying this sample. I think I found my new favorite. I just love how it glided on. This one right here. I think I am going to buy the full size. And then I added some cream bronzer. This one right here. Oops. This one by Fenty. I haven't concealed it because I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna use that purple and I don't know if it has fallout. And I have my brows on. I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I think that's all I have so far. I haven't set anything, haven't done anything else because I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the eye look. And then once I finish my eyes, I think I'll put powder on and then add blush and highlight. Oh yeah, and the concealer. I am going to start by prepping my eyes, and I use concealer for this. Just a dot and a dot. I'm going to use my Rare Beauty concealer brush and just pat that out. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder of Hit Pan. I'm going to use this to set the eyes. So I'm going to go into the palette. I'm going to start with the transition shade. So I'm going to put that above my crease. So now I'm going to get another brush and I'm going to get Slasher right there. And I'm going to put that under my crease at the outer corner. Going back and forth between brushes. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this in a little bit more. I'm gonna put 5 a.m. out here, really concentrated out there. So I'm gonna keep bringing this in. I want the purple to show. So I'm gonna add that brown back here in the outer corner to deepen it up. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get that purple fluffy brush I was using. Blend that out. This is what it's looking like so far. Hopefully it looks good on camera. So before I keep going, I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, so this is the look so far. I did the exact same thing on this eye, what I did to this eye. I'm just using Slasher, 5 a.m. and Mila. I'm debating whether if I want to add glitter or keep it matte. I feel like I should keep it matte, but I want to add glitter so bad. So I'm going to use P. Louise flat shader brush like this. Super thin. So Jaded palette by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. And I'm getting the shade My Precious. It's this one. Oops, I just touched that one. It's this one right here. Pack that on, and I'm just gonna set this with that. It's like exactly the same color. I don't want it to just be so half and half. So I am going to get another shade. I'm just gonna add it right there. This one is called Carnelian from the So Jaded palette. It's this burnt deep orange right here. And I'm gonna add that to right here to make like a really cool transition shade between the both of them. So this is it so far. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, this is the final look. So I went ahead and I did the exact same thing to the other eye. Really quick recap. So I used these 3 shades and I was just blending and adding and whatnot. There's so many beautiful eyeshadows in this palette. Then I used My Precious to set the eye, and I added a little bit of this shade right here. So I used that to help transition it. So this is it. And I wasn't going to add glitter, but I ended up adding glitter. And not a lot of glitter, but I think it really pulled the look together with this shade right here in the corner. This is called Nikki Tutorials. And then I added liner. I didn't go all the way across. I just added a little flick at the outer corner, and then I made a little flick, I don't know what it's called, in the inner corner to kind of give that cat eye effect. I'm using the Demi Wispies. So I'm wearing lashes. I put mascara on. I'm wearing their Real mascara by Benefit, top and bottom. Really quick side note, this has very little fallout, basically none. So now I know for next time when I do my makeup with it, I don't have to do my eyes and then my base or whatever. So no fallout. I basically got no fallout. Even with the glitter, I used Nikki Tutorials. When I was adding that little top glitter coat to the lids, nothing fell out. So very happy about that. I set my whole face with my Cover FX setting powder. I used my little puff by Tati Beauty. For blush, I use this Buxom blush. This one right here. This is Wonderlust Primer Infused Blush in the shade Seychelles. And then for highlight, I used the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. Love it. Very good. I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Birthday Suit. This is it right here. A beautiful nude shade. This little Becca lipstick in the shade Orchid. Sorry if my hands are dry. Hand sanitizer. It's a beautiful color. I added gloss on top. The Luxe Lip Oil by ColourPop in the shade Bangle. And I actually got it in this little set. Such a beautiful shade. And I'm using this one at the very end. I set my face using this setting spray by Milk. It's called the Hydro Grip Set and Refreshing Spray. I love this. I love the primer, so I had to try the spray.
This is the final look, everyone. Let me know down below if you would wear this. You can definitely wear this eye with a very toned lipstick to go all out. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more. Bye!